Okay, everybody, let me show you how quickly you can, if you are an OBS and you have a black screen that is showing up when you put capture display and you cannot get your display to show, but you're just getting a black screen, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix that. And this is on a MacBook. So on a MacBook, simply go into your settings and then go down to and find your privacy and security, which is right there. And then from here, scroll down until you get to screen recording right here. Select screen recording. And then what you have to do is you have to allow OBS. So you got to come across over here to privacy, say screen reporting, and then select OBS. You'll have to unlock the screen, use your password, and then you'll see that you can click it on and click it off. I'll click it back on again because I want it. Quit and it'll reopen OBS for you. It's currently active, so do we want to exit and start it? No, because I'm currently using it. But it's just that simple. And then when you go back into OBS, you will find that your screen is working perfectly. Okay, that's simple.